Hey folks, JC here, Car Logic Group, the home of the first time buyers program and guaranteed credit approval. And the sun is out. We've got a beautiful spring day and I've got an awesome vehicle for you. This is a 2010 BMW. It's a 5 Series. It's an X5 35D. Folks, this is an absolutely magnificent vehicle. It's got every option. Beautiful leather, aluminum alloy wheels, magnificent. It's got adaptive headlights. I tell you, it's got the backup camera. It's got backup sensors, forward sensors, trailering package. It's got the, up there, the roof racks. Folks, this is a really, really, really nice vehicle. Listen, if you're looking for something to cruise around, something that's going to get you great gas mileage, and you're going to look good getting there, this is the vehicle. There's only one thing missing from this vehicle, folks. That's you. So come out and see us. CarLogicGroup.com. Hit us up on the web or give us a call at 615-281-9425. JC Car Logic Group. Thanks a lot, folks.